Welcome to A Taste of K. In this video, I'll show you how I make Haitian black bean sauce, known as Sos Pwa Noir. In a previous video, I showed you how I pre-soaked dry beans overnight. Strain the beans, but please do not discard the liquid. You'll need it later on in the process. Reserve half a cup of beans. Add the remaining beans to the blender, as well as half of the liquid. Blend. Add the pureed beans into a strainer. Save the liquid and throw away the remainder of the puree. In a hot pot, add your oil and start to fry the épices. Add the liquid that was strained from the pureed beans. Add half a can of coconut milk. Stir. Add 1 habanero pepper and 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Let boil on medium-high heat with no lid. Add salt to taste. And there you have it, Haitian black bean sauce known as Sos Pwa Noir. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.